and my battery's getting low. I just wanted to show you this real quick. I was mixing my taping mud, and I opened this back. Now, I just bought this yesterday. Just bought it yesterday at the store. But look at this. See how green this stuff is? It's all moldy in here. Now, it looks like it's just on the top. Looks like it's just surface mold. And I've seen this before. Sometimes I've opened the bag, some bacteria's gotten in there. It's not through and through. I can pull it off to the side and look at that. So it's not through and through the mud. Looks like it's just something that got in on top of it. So I'm still gonna use it. And then if something happens, I'll use this video to get my money back from this company. But yeah, I don't think it's gonna hurt this mud at all since there's a little bit. But if I start mixing this up and I find that this mold is through and through this mud, I'm taking it back. I'll get my money back and I'll get a new bucket. So, but don't worry about a little bit. I've seen it many times where there's just a little bit of mold sitting on the bucket. Some bacteria got in there. Maybe somebody cut a finger off. I'll find a finger in there. You guys have a great day. Hey, just to let you know that I did throw that box. What, did I zoom in or something? I did throw that box in this bucket. See here? There's no mold on the underneath side. So it was just some surface mold. It was just some surface mold right there on the top. So it didn't go through and through. But had I dumped that in that bucket and saw mud coming out from the bottom of it too, I would have just tossed it. It would have been garbage mud. So you guys have a good day. So you are not gonna believe this. That molded mud, as I was mixing it, I found a lump and I took the lump out. It was a little piece of finger. And you know what? It's still alive. It's still alive. Gotcha. Hey, I'm just coming to you and saying, if you really like these videos, subscribe. And if you really like these videos, share them with somebody else. I also wanted to bring to your attention, I'm coming out with a product. It's called the Drywall Doctor First Aid Kit. It's going to have everything you need in here to do patches, repair work, holes in walls, broken corner bead. So you buy the repair kit, you log in, you follow the instructions to repair all of that stuff. And when you're all done with this is a lunch pail. It's an insulated lunch pail so you can bring it to work. It'll have a little thing in here like this that you can mix mud in, and when you're done you can carry sandwiches in once you clean it, of course. But I think it was a great idea, and it's going to be called the Drywall Doctor First Aid Kit. I'm going to have it on Patreon really soon. I need support in order to put this together so I can market it and get it out there. So if you could help support me on Patreon, I would really appreciate it. You guys have a great day.